Welcome to this Yomasoft screencast about how to manage Solaris 11 IPS repositories using VDCF. VDCF is a powerful management software from Yomasoft. It is used to manage and monitor virtualized Solaris environments. Yomasoft is in business since the year 2000. Our product is mature and in production use since 2006. VDCF is a tool used by Solaris administrators to install, configure, manage, patch and monitor Solaris. It supports bare metal, LDOMs and Solaris zones. You use the same tool for Solaris 10 and 11 for both platforms Spark and x86. This video focuses on the IPS repositories, which form the base to install Solaris 11. Other videos are available if you would like to learn more about the product. VDCF provides a higher level API for the system administrators. The VDCF commands use and update the VDCF database and execute the required Solaris commands. VDCF does the same as an administrator would do manually, but fully automated and based on best practices. VDCF helps to deploy systems standardized and in much less time. VDCF is able to manage multiple repositories and install services. The repositories contain the Solaris packages. The install services are delivering the software to the installing system. VDCF builds are definitions to bundle a repository, a service and a specific software update. Such builds are later assigned and deployed to systems. Here we are on the central VDCF management server, where we'll use the VDCF command IPS-ADM to manage our IPS repositories. There are already repositories set up. We display the details of the S11 repository. Creating a new repository using VDCF is very easy. Specify a name and the repository ISO file. This will set up a CFS file system SMF service for the repository. The ISO file was downloaded from the Oracle website. Copying the repository packages takes a few minutes. We skip the waiting time here. After the setup, we see the additional test repository. Adding a software update is very similar. Just use the update repo operation. It is much faster to use the downloaded update file instead of transferring all the data over the internet from the Oracle support repository. The update also takes a few moments depending on the number of packages to import. After the successful sync, the repo server is automatically refreshed and restarted. Now we see the new SRU4 in the repository. The repositories are ready now. Next step is to create an installation service. An install service is required once for each Solaris 11 update. This one is based on Solaris 11 Update 1. Then we define VDCF builds, which are later the building blocks to install servers. You define which patch level you need, and of course remote repositories are also supported. This video covered the IPS environment. We are now ready to install systems. This can be viewed in another screencast. We can choose now from these three build definitions. One is update 1, one is based on software release update 1, and another is from a remote repository as RU6. You find more information about VDCF on our product homepage. The whole product documentation is available online. Try the product yourself using the free edition. Don't hesitate to contact us if you are interested in a proof of concept.